So I'm Charlie Dando. I'm in my 4th year of my apprenticeship at Superstructures. I study at ALU in Chelmsford, doing a civil engineering degree course. As part of an additional role here at Superstructures, I lead our sustainability team. Some of it involves developing services that we'll offer to clients as a business. It's also developing other staff here. So the last maybe 6 months or so, I've took on a new role within the business, been promoted to senior apprentice. And as part of my role, I oversee the development of the younger apprentices as well. So it's not just about me having an understanding about what sustainability means in construction. It's also about sharing that with my colleagues and making sure that everyone's at a good level with it. It's really nice, really enjoy it. Not that far ahead of them, so I know how it feels, and to be able to support is great. My AIU tutor's been great. Lisa, I've had her throughout my apprenticeship programme. She's always been really supportive and there if I have any questions or queries. Superstructures is a great learning environment, heavily apprentice focused around our development and bringing us through. That sort of led to quite rapid development for myself. In terms of the university study, it's kind of that top up, if you like, to that knowledge. It's sort of, you're getting it and then, oh, okay, what I've learned at uni, I'm now doing in work. So the two go hand in hand. By being on the apprenticeship programme, I'm obviously earning whilst I'm learning, which has been great. And I think, having that part-time work prior to this to then go to full studies and not earning, it would have been quite a difficult decision. When I look back to where I was when I started to where I am now, and the apprenticeship programme isn't even over yet for me, just remarkable.